In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Robinhood chain to Trust Wallet. Now, the first thing I have to point out here is that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Trading meme coins carries extreme financial risk, so always do your own research before investing into anything. Now that we got this out of the way, let's get started with connecting Robinhood chain to Trust Wallet. So, first, of course, you want to go to your browser's web store, something like Chrome Web Store, and you want to install the Trust Wallet extension like this, okay? I have it over here. You want to install it, create a wallet. It's super simple to do, and that's essentially the first step you're going to have to take. Then when you've done this, you want to go to Robinhood.com, their official website, and you want to go to what we offer, top left, and click on chain at the bottom. Then you want to click on start building over here, and it's going to open up their docs. You want to open get started, top left, and you want to click on add network to your wallet. From here, you want to go to connect using a browser wallet, and you want to switch to mainnet, and then here you can see Trust Wallet on your list. So you simply want to click on the Trust Wallet over here. It's going to launch it over here in the top right, and you simply have to click on connect. Now, when you open this for the first time, it may ask you to type in your password for your Trust Wallet to actually activate and unlock the wallet. So if it does so, just type in your password and go and click on connect. Then here, as you can see, there we go, it's connecting, and you will have to approve this by clicking approve over here, and it's going to take you here. So there we go, as you can see. And if you want to basically switch network to connect to this site, you can also click on switch over here. And then when you open up your wallet, Trust Wallet, as you can see, there we go, it says chain switch to Robinhood chain, and you've successfully connected or added the Robinhood chain to your Trust Wallet, okay? And now that you've done this, you can go ahead and start trading your meme coins on any of the platforms which offer this, okay? In case you want to know how to do this, I do have a separate video and I use Axiom. You can go ahead and use Axiom as well. There's going to be a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, okay? So check it out. Axiom is down below. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.